So let's go ahead and unbox this. We just got the Nest Thermostat. I think that it should just come out of here. If I'm having a problem, you're going to have a problem. Let's see. Oh, here, check it out. These little sneaky bastards. They left a piece of tape on it. Oh, Jesus, I'll have to speed this part up because this is ridiculous.
The scissors are right there.
Oh, got it. Damn it, I'm good. It's coming. We're almost there. Oh, yeah, here we go. There you go. That's your Nest. Check it out. Look at that. This comes off. Put it over there. Here's your Nest. We can pull that thing off, pull that off, get rid of that stuff. And let's pop it out of there. See what comes with it. All right, so basically you get the unit itself right here. You're going to get, this is the plate that has to go on the wall. And it's got all the different color codes. And I think there should be, if I'm not mistaken, there should be some stickers in here that you can wrap around your wires once you take your old thermostat off. These are the screws. Let's put them out right here. Let's get that over there. Let's look inside and see what else we got. All right, so they give you another face plate right here in case you got big holes that you can cover it. And this is if it's right on your air handler. And there's extra screws. But you know what I don't see? I don't see my stickers. Let's set that there. That there. Maybe they're in here. Let's take a look. All right, so get rid of that. Maybe in here, we'll see. Oh yeah, here we go. Directions. Yeah, there we go. These are the stickers that you're going to use for your wires. You just put them on there and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now here's the key thing about this. If you've got 110 or 120 volt, if it's super hot, you're not going to be able to use this. And you will have to send it back and get something that's more compatible. But it should be pretty simple. Take about 20 minutes to install. So let's try it and see what we can do.